Have you ever tried to open an ICS calendar file in Excel, only to find that it simply won't work? The problem is that ICS files store all of your events, but spreadsheets like Excel just cannot read that format. All you see is raw, confusing calendar code. You could try copying each event across by hand, but over dozens of files that quickly become slow and tiring, and one small mistake can cost you important data. That is where the SysTools ICS to CSV Converter comes in. A professional tool that converts your calendars accurately, in just a few minutes. It safely exports single or multiple ICS files straight to CSV, keeping every event detail perfectly intact. Export your calendars to CSV, and to 9 more popular formats, including PDF, Message, and HTML. Use Add File for a single calendar, or use Add Folder to convert many files together in one batch. Every event, organizer, time zone, and recurring appointment is preserved with complete accuracy. Choose your own destination folder for the output, and receive a detailed report after every single export. The tool runs completely offline, on both Windows and Mac, and it never touches or modifies your original files. To get started, open the SysTools ICS to CSV Converter on your Windows or Mac computer. Click the Add File button at the top to bring your calendar file into the tool. Now choose whether you want to add a single file, or convert an entire folder at once. Click the Browse button so you can locate the exact ICS file you want to convert. Select your ICS calendar file from the folder, and then simply click the Open button. Confirm that the file path is correct, and then click Add to load it into the tool. The software now scans and reads through every event stored inside your calendar file. Once the scanning has completed successfully, just click OK to continue to the next step. With your full calendar now loaded, click the Export button to begin setting up the output. From the list of formats, select CSV as the file type you want to export to. Click Browse again, and choose the destination folder where your new file should be saved. Set your destination path, and pick any additional export options that suit your needs. Everything is ready, so now click the Export button to start converting your calendar. The tool now exports every event from your calendar into a clean, structured CSV file. The export has completed successfully, so click OK to finish the conversion process. You can review the detailed export report to confirm that every event was converted correctly. Your CSV file is now ready to open directly inside Excel. And that is all it takes. Your ICS calendar is now a clean, organized CSV file, ready to use. If this helped you, please like, share, and subscribe. Then download the software, and visit systools.in today.